So I was starting to worry about the temperatures continuing to drop, and after yesterday, or was it yesterday? I think it was yesterday. When I put these boards in, I really scrunched them together. Oh look, there's the hooray. So what I want to do is pull one of these out and give them just a little bit more bee space, because I really restricted them. And doing that, I'm going to do, oh, there's my thermometer. Which, gosh, I still want that. I'm going to do this. That's going to give them a little bit more space, where I really smashed them together. I should be able to spread out a little bit there. There we go. Because some of these were, for a while I was running 9 frames. So anyway, that should be better for them. Still got bees. 3 frames. Alright, lid back on. That gives them about another ½ inch or so to deal with, which is good. We'll see if that, I think that is going to help them. I hope. In the bee space department. Because I know at one time I had 9 frames. There we go. There's those little poopies. I don't know what those are from, but they're still in the same spot in the front. I don't see any varroa. There's one varroa. I don't see any others. So I don't have a varroa problem. I got a lack of bee problem. Yeah, I see maybe 3 varroa mites on here. One there, one there. So, and then the little poops. Probably from a hive beetle poop. I've yet to be able to find what hive beetle poop is on the internetz. Alright, that's that. In and out. It's actually too cold. It's like 55, so I got out of here pretty quick. And took one board out. Was able to give them just a little bit more breathing room. I was happy to see that there's a bunch still. Not a bunch, but some still up there on the top.